SAP, which stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, is a German multinational software corporation that develops enterprise software to manage business operations and customer relations. The company is best known for its enterprise resource planning (ERP) software. Introduction to SAP. SAP was founded in 1972 by 5 ex-IBM employees in Mannheim, Germany. It has since evolved to become a global leader in end-to-end enterprise application software, database, analytics, intelligent technologies, and experience management. A top cloud company with 200 million users worldwide, SAP helps businesses of all sizes and in all industries to operate profitably, adapt continuously, and achieve their purpose. Core components of SAP. SAP ERP. This is the core product which provides modules to manage core business processes, divided into functional modules, including 1. SAP FI, Financial Accounting. 2. SAP CO, Controlling. 3. SAP SD, Sales and Distribution. 4. SAP PP, Production Planning. 5. SAP MM, Materials Management. SAP S/4HANA. The next generation ERP suite comes with advanced features including a simplified data model and improved user experience. SAP BW, BI. Business warehousing and business intelligence allow for high-speed information retrieval and analysis. SAP CRM, Customer Relationship Management, tools to manage customer relationships effectively. SAP SCM, Supply Chain Management. SAP SRM, Supplier Relationship Management. SAP PLM, Product Lifecycle Management. SAP and Cloud Computing. With the advancement of cloud computing, SAP introduced cloud-based solutions like 1. SAP SuccessFactors for Human Capital Management. 2. SAP Ariba for Procurement. 3. SAP Concur for Travel and Expense Management. 4. SAP Fieldglass for Workforce Management. SAP Fiori and User Experience. SAP Fiori is a user experience (UX) approach to creating highly intuitive, responsive, and easy-to-use applications. It represents a shift from the often criticized, complex user interfaces of SAP to a more streamlined, modern, and user-friendly approach. Integration with emerging technologies. SAP continually integrates emerging technologies into its suite of applications. This includes but is not limited to 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, offering predictive analytics and automation. 2. Blockchain, providing transparency and traceability in business processes. 3. Internet of Things, IoT, connecting devices to drive automation and provide real-time data analysis. SAP's commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. SAP integrates sustainability into its core business, delivering software that enables companies to track their performance in areas like energy use, greenhouse gas emissions, and labor practices. Licensing and implementation. SAP is known for its complex licensing model, which has been a point of contention among many businesses. However, the company has made strides in recent years to simplify its licensing. Implementation of SAP solutions can be resource-intensive, requiring careful planning, change management, and consultation with SAP or its partners. In conclusion, with over 4 decades of continuous innovation, SAP has solidified its position as a market leader in the enterprise software space. Its comprehensive suite of applications has enabled countless businesses worldwide to optimize their processes, make informed decisions, and drive growth and innovation. The company's ongoing commitment to integrating emerging technologies ensures that it remains at the forefront of the digital transformation wave, providing unparalleled value to its vast array of customers.